Hello again, this is Ms. Perrikos, and I am giving you a tour of my wonderful website that I've created here at the UFT Graduate Center for Teaching Education. So I would like to show you a little bit of what my homepage looks like. My theme is Knowledge is Power, and I believe that it's important for people to share ideas and help each other understand things in the world of education field. So this is my homepage, and as you can see here, we have the different classes that I took with the UFT collaboration, the books that we used, and all the really cool applications that we used, whether it be Wordle, Wordit, the QR code that we scan to our website. There's so much information that we learned and we were able to apply here in this class, and I'm grateful for that to Dr. Stein most especially. This is the assessments page with the assessment statistics page, and this is really important obviously with the Department of Education. It speaks to the planning of the EdTPA, the different types of assessments that teachers and educators need to use. I've incorporated videos here, both something that was produced by myself and things that I've taken off the internet and was able to utilize here for your benefit. I hope that they are useful to you. EdTPA, making good choices, and things like that. The statistics page is also kind of fun. Talks about the different kinds of statistics that are utilized in our society and in education. So it talks about the mean, median, and mode, what the definitions are, probability, the bell curve, basic terms in statistics. I've included some videos about all of these things that I'm discussing now, and we have some really neat things here that you can check out. Okay, we are coming along here to special education. Obviously, this is a huge topic in the education field today, and it has so much information here. There are 13 categories covered under IDEA, and I try my best to explain and define what each of them are. There are a lot of terms that you need to become familiar with, whether you're a parent, student, or an educator. There are categories, there are special education topics, there are inspiring videos that I included, including savants and what they are, who they are, and basically they're just an amazing amazing people that are special ed but have such amazing talents, and so we kind of paid a little tribute to them there. Let's see. IDEA. I did this slideshow in a different class, but I thought it was important because it does speak to the whole special education evolution, how it came out and or came about rather, and developed over time, and how it's become such a huge force in the education field. So there are plenty of things here that you can investigate about. I have the IEPs that we needed to compare and contrast in Dr. Stein's class. They're right there. You can click on each of these. We were supposed to review them, and I have the information there. I've also included an introduction video, and I also included an IEP video which incorporates all the elements that are essential in an IEP draft. So curriculum technology trends. This is a lot of fun, and there is also a lot of information here as well. Google Sites was remarkable, and it's a remarkable platform, period, and it's great for everyone, students, teachers alike. Anyone can have fun with this and learn how to create a website and become creative people. I have a lot of easy instructional tutorials included here, and online resources that you can click on, subject specific, you name it, we've got it. So please feel free to browse my website. I have all of my videos and creations, or at least most of them, channeled here in this one page. These are my introductory videos. These are my slideshows. These are the different group lessons that we conducted and projects, our lesson plan, our IEPs that we discussed earlier, and of course this down here is my all document, which is my final exit project, and I really hope that Dr. Stein likes it a lot because I'm looking for an A+. Okay, EdTPA. EdTPA, this page really is not only for EdTPA, but I did name it that. It has a lot to do with all of the New York State teacher certification exams and information. So there's a sample EdTPA lesson there that you can take a look at. There are different videos that will help you contribute to getting a very good score on the EdTPA because, let's face it, it is a monster. And we have included here a bunch of resources and hyperlinks to all these very good, useful items that you can use for your own benefit. I have study guides for the CST as well. Depending on whatever pathway you're looking to go down, the CST is a necessary exam as well. I have a fun page, and I really like this page, I think, the best. It includes the New York City field trips. I picked all 5 boroughs because we live in an awesome state that has a lot of resources, and the classroom doesn't need to be conducted or confined to the 4 walls. Our city is our playground, and I strongly believe that. So here's my Just for Fun page, and this again is geared to all students, teachers, colleagues, educators, parents, whomever wants to be a maker, essentially. Google website, Wordits, word bubbles, Quizlets, how to make them, how to, have some advanced features on them. YouTube creation, which was something I had to learn and tackle. Really interesting stuff. The textbooks that we used in our course, both classes, 640 and 650. These were very instrumental in our class lessons. And the all-important all document. This is, again, our final project, and it's hyperlinked here, and it is also here. If you click it, it'll open into a brand new page, and it will give you all 29 pages of everything I learned. So I really hope that you find my website useful, and come back and see it again. It'll be constantly updated, and it'll be useful in my classroom. I know that a lot of the things that I learned during these courses will be extremely beneficial to me, and I hope they are for you as well. Have a great night.